Hello everyone and welcome back to our another little tidbit on our little dollhouse. And I have gotten all my three little pieces together, the base of the dollhouse, and I mean that thing, it is awesome. It's about 3/4 of an inch thick, and I'm really pleased how it turned out. It's very sturdy, and I really do like it. So I thought I'd just let you know. And I hadn't been able to do another quick little tidbit of our dollhouse because I've been busy, but we'll try to get more and more as we go along. And we definitely will finish this for Christmas, but before Christmas. So what I've done right now is I drew sort of the plan of where I wanted to have the house, and of course a couple of rooms and such. Okay, I need quite a bit of room back in here, and I got from here to here. For the yard, because the yard has got another little building here and some other stuff in here. So I do need this part over here to be a little bit, in other words, I need some room in here. So I have decided to do my my little house to be about 10 inches wide, but probably it's going to be about 20 or so inches tall. Okay, but we're going to do it in stages, as I say. So the first thing I done is, like I said, I drew the plan, and that's what I'm going to tell you what to do next. Now, first thing I did is I got 2 inches from the edge. Let's see, excuse me, 2 inches from the edge, okay, and I drew a line all the way up, okay? I just went all the way up so I could have 2 inches in here, all right? And I did the same thing on this side. This is a 2-inch width ruler, so it worked out really well, okay? And I went this way, all right? Then I marked from this, I'm trying to figure out where I am. From this edge to the center, 10 inches. Excuse me. And I drew a mark in there. I did the same thing in here from 10 inches from here up here, and drew a line. And then what I did is just make a line, make a line all the way, kind of match the lines, and drew a line all the way to the end, just straight on, okay? Just to get that out of the way. All right, and I am sorry because this base is a lot bigger than the course than my video. So, okay, so that's what I did. So now I got 2 inches in here, a line right here, coming in 2 inches on either side, and then I had the other line that is 10 inch from the edge up here, and I drew another line straight out. Okay, like that. Now the next thing I did was from the 2 inch right here, this is a 2 inch line, I come in inwards, okay, or to my left if you want to say, 8.5 inches, okay, and I made a mark, and then I came over here too, 8.5, I made another mark, and then I drew a line from this edge, right on this line to the bottom, okay? I got that? And I will try to, to try to put the measurements, see if, if I can, in a way that you can understand too in the description. Then, so that's the wall. Now we got 2 walls for the kitchen. You got one in here, and we got one in here, okay? So the next thing I'm gonna do is from this wall of the kitchen, again towards my left, or towards this direction, I'm going to measure 6 inches. So I came over here 6 inches. I drew a line. Down here I drew a line and meet the line. Okay, so that's what I did. And this one here is, when I got through with it, it was exactly 8.5, just like this one. Okay, so now we have kitchen is going to be 8.5 by 10. The hall or the entrance is going to be 6 by 10. And the living area or the living room is going to be 8.5 by 10. So that's your next little project, but we're not done yet. Okay, the next thing I want you to do is to come. I went in and I had this awesome already piece, and it's 10 inches by the way. And I'm pretty sure, let me check it out again, because I don't want to tell you one thing and then it's not, because you'll get me later. She said, Charlie, we didn't do it right. Yeah, it's 10 inches, okay? And the reason I'm doing it this way, this is going to be the first floor, okay? And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to work a little section at a time, and it'll be easier to decorate, to do things to it, and that's why I'm doing it that way, okay? So what I have done on this line that I put right over here, all the way down here, the edge of this board, I put it right into it. And I will give you the dimensions for this board, okay? But I just want you to know what you need to do. And then the edge, the inside edge is right on the line, and the outside you will go through the back and draw a line. And the line will be the width, the depth of this cardboard, or whatever cardboard that you have. And the reason I'm doing that, because this is going to be laying right at the edge of that line, okay? And another one is going to come, excuse me, and another one's going to come on this edge. And hold on, can you see it? Probably not. And another one's going to come on this edge, okay? And we'll do the same thing on this one. We'll put this little edge in here on the 2-inch, that we did line, right like that, and then come back from the back and draw a line, and that way give us, let's see if I can see it. See this right here, right there. See, we got the 2-inch line from here to here, and this one's the one we drew from the back, okay? And that will be on both sides the same. So your next step is to draw this on the base, as I told you, but then you're gonna cut one, actually you're gonna cut two. You're gonna cut two pieces, but one you wanna go with the grain across, and the other one you want the same length and everything, but you want with the line up and down, okay? Just two pieces of board. And again, you're gonna put the glue on in between them, and you're going to go ahead and put the books or whatever until it gets good and dry. All right? So you're gonna do one of those with two boards, one going up and down the grain, and the other one going across the grain. Okay? And it's 10 by 24. Okay? So it'll be 10 high by 24 wide. Okay? And then you're gonna cut two of this, okay? And this one is going to be basically 10 by 10 square. But you need to do two side walls. And the same thing, you want one across, up and down, and the one and the other one go across before you glue it, to give it more stability. This one is not, it's been done by the factory, so it feels pretty good, but personally, I'd rather have had one go in the lines this way and the other one that way. It's better, more, stronger, and that's just me. So whatever you want to do, it's up to you. But I'm telling you how I'm doing it, okay? So let me do that again. Two boards like this, and it's going to be 10 by 24. Okay? One with the grain going sideways, and the other one with the grain going up and down. But that's the dimension, 10 by 24. Then you need two sides, which will be equal to 4 pieces. And like I said, this is a square because it's 10 inches by 10 inches, see? Yep, 10 inches by 10. So you need 4. So you need, again, for each one of them, you need one to go the lines, for instance, these lines, to go up and down, and one going across for each side. So that's your next homework. And we'll see you and see what we're going to do next time. Bye-bye.